Changing the brake pads on your car is an important task to keep your vehicle running smoothly and safely. It is something you can do yourself with the right tools and a little time. Start by engaging the emergency brake to prevent the car from moving. Next, place wheel chocks behind the wheels you are not working on for extra safety. Remove the wheel cover, then use a lug wrench to loosen all the nuts. After loosening the nuts, position the jack under the car at the recommended jacking point. Once the car is lifted, place jack stands under the car and lower it onto the stands for added safety. Next, finish removing the nuts and take the wheel off. Place the wheel under the car as an extra precaution. Next, remove the brake caliper by unscrewing the two bolts, one at the top and one at the bottom. Loosen the screws by turning them to the left. Once the pressure is broken, finish removing them by hand. After that, carefully remove the caliper and use a zip tie to attach it securely to a part of the car so it does not fall. To remove the old brake pads, simply wiggle them out. They should come out easily. If any clips came off with the pads, look at the other side to see how they were positioned, then place the clips back correctly. Take the new brake pads and apply brake lubricant to both ends. Then, place the new pads into the caliper bracket, the same way the old ones were positioned. Now, remove the zip tie from the brake caliper and install it over the new pads. Make sure the caliper fits securely around the new pads. Finally, hand tighten the two caliper bolts, then tighten them fully with a wrench. Place the wheel back on and tighten the lug nuts. Repeat the process on the other side if necessary. This method will help you easily replace your brake pads. Permatex Ceramic Extreme Brake Parts Lubricant is a synthetic formula with ceramic solids that resists moisture, corrosion, and contaminants. It lasts longer than regular greases, reduces brake noise, and is highly effective for various brake components. By replacing your brake pads, you will help your vehicle continue running smoothly and maintain optimal braking performance.